destination, who decides? Take off, crash, land. I don't wanna lose tonight. Take a chance, let it go. Will we make it? Never know. I'm so glad I kept you. Could have left you. Let's make room to grow. Here we go, you and I. Destination, who decides? Take off, crash, land. I don't wanna lose tonight. Take a chance, let it go. Will we make it? Never know. I'm so glad I kept you. Could have left you. Let's make room to
looking at you, looking back at me. I like to hear what your story is. If you think you're straight, I got shit to do, but those things can wait. And I'm prone to say that we'll take it slow, but that's bullshit. I've been here, boy, fall hard for the trust. All you gotta do is make it feel sincere, but that's past tense, I'm getting past it. Lust demons, pray to God I don't take action. Maintaining conversation, hard as fuck with these two distractions. Reppin' that 305 for the south side. You got no time for no bluff tip. With your fair shares of your broken heart, it's no wonder why you don't trust shit. You like fuck this, stole your heart and got away, you don't even seek justice. Working hard at your dead end job for your aspirations you must hit. But fuck all that preaching, them leggings is killing me softly.
Killing me softly.
Dominican fetish, forgive me, this shit can get costly. Some of them passing to just turn far. Perfect excuse for these tall macchiatos and new conversations that happen abroad. I pull up in a 1993 Toyota Camry with $30 on my car, using half of that just to make it out up on Biscayne Boulevard. Yeah.
And I want you more than you will ever know. When it's alright, just promise me you'll never go. No, no, oh girl, I just wanna let you know. No, no, oh girl, I just wanna let you know.
Holiday season, never have time through the week, so we meet up on the weekends. Shit is looking shallow on the surface, but feelings get real when you caught up in the deep end. Sitting in your car, all we listen to is nice late nights. We don't even have a reason, too afraid to ask if you leaving. I know you got work in the morning, I don't wanna keep you out late. Slush shit, feeling like an outbreak. Plus I keep staring everywhere, swear to God those lips looking sweeter than a pound cake. But I digress, more talk about this and that, past relationships and no strings attached. If you into that, clearly it's something deeper. It don't even make sense to act like it's anything less. Mentally driving away all the stress. So many thoughts on my plate, I got too much at stake, but you make me forget and confess. I just got through with my ex, skeptical about moving on, but shit, I'm so impressed that a nigga willing to invest any and everything in you. Now shall we continue, and if so, just let a nigga know what he in for. Keep it real with me, baby, even if it hurts. Never wanna be the nigga frontin' out of limbo. Real though, at least I told you from the start. Play no fucking games with my heart. So much faith in us together, I hate to see us apart, yeah.
And I want you more than you will ever know. When it's alright, just promise me you'll never go. No, no, oh girl, I just wanna let you know. No, no, oh girl, I just wanna let you know.
Here we go, you and I. Destination, who decides? Take off, crash, land. I don't wanna lose tonight. Take a chance, let it go. Will we make it? Never know. I'm so glad I kept you. Could have left you. Let's make room to grow. Here we go, you and I. Destination, who decides? Take off, crash, land. I don't wanna lose tonight. Take a chance, let it go. Will we make it? Never know. I'm so glad I kept you. Could have left you. Let's make room to grow. Here we go, you and I. Destination, who decides? Take off, crash, land. I don't wanna lose tonight. Take a chance, let it go. Will we make it? Never know. I'm so glad I kept you. Could have left you. Let's make room to grow.